few weeks ago we built this forge, but we've already got to do some maintenance on it. I made the decision not to coat it in the refractive cement, and I'm regretting it because a lot of the soft fire bricks are breaking already. So I'm gonna have to take it apart and coat these bricks in the refractive cement. So my forge will be out of action for the next couple of days. So, after 3 hours, this is what I'm left with. A mess everywhere. We are only 1/4 of the way done. And we are frustrated. We broke more bricks. Apparently this stuff flash dries on contact with the bricks, which makes it extremely difficult to work with. It is crumbly until it hardens, and it is clumpy because it's old. As you can see here, I'm operating the forge a little bit differently than normal. I've got it on its side because the ceiling tiles have cracked and they're currently under repair. So I put it like this so I could stand the tiles up on their side and they won't fall down.